For post-installed heavy-duty mechanical anchoring into concrete or CMU, you've got two options: screw anchors like the Titan HD or wedge anchors. Both can handle high loads and are good for either interior or exterior use. Both require pre-drilling, but there are some important differences. Let's take a closer look. Wedge anchors are a good low-cost option, but require multiple steps and tools to install. The Titan HD screw anchor installs quickly with only an impact driver or impact wrench. No torque wrench is needed. It allows for a closer edge distance than a wedge anchor, and it's fully removable. The Titan HD installs up to 5 times faster, providing significant cost savings on labor hours. The Titan HD is ideal for a wide range of applications in cracked and uncracked concrete, and it's available in a variety of head styles, including low profile. By allowing a closer minimum edge distance, the Titan HD makes sill plate work fast and efficient. Racking is simple to install and just as easy to move without having to grind down a wedge anchor. Titan HD also has corrosion-resistant options for exterior applications. And on ledger boards, the unique design of the Titan HD makes for a quick installation. The Simpson Strong Tie Titen HD heavy-duty screw anchor. Up to 5 times faster, reliable installation, closer edge distance, fully removable. To save time and money, it's the clear choice for heavy-duty concrete anchoring jobs. Learn more about the Titan HD at strongtie.com/Titan or contact your representative today.